After having my consultation with Grace and analysing her hair, it's important that I make the right diagnosis to get the perfect product for the hair type. Grace has a fine hair texture that is chemically treated and coloured, and also a little dry naturally because of its natural wavy texture. We're going to be using the C Hydrate shampoo for fine hair, the C Restore mask also for fine hair, followed by the fine hair C Shield. The combination and synergy of these products together alongside the Ampule treatment spray is going to give us the most perfect immediate results, restoring the condition of Grace's hair, making it appear shinier, healthier and less damaged. The CPR Peptide 18 range is an intensive hair care system formulated for instant results. It is designed to strengthen, repair, protect and add softness and shine. The small peptides in the product easily penetrate into the hair follicle. They restore the building blocks of the hair. By increasing the protein, collagen, moisture, and boosting the hair's strength, reduces the split ends. The C Hydrate shampoo cleanses, volumizes, and moisturizes the hair all at the same time. This is a very gentle cleansing product that boosts the hydration, restoring damaged hair. The C Hydrate contains the L'Alga Nord5 complex, peptides, hyaluronic acid, thermoactive proteins, and the 7 conditioning agents. The combination of the conditioning agents paired with the L'Alga patented technology ensures the delivery of the products into the hair with the conditioning agents not breaking down, therefore giving the best possible results. Following the use of the C Hydrate shampoo, we are now going to use the C Revitalize Instant Intensive Care Treatment. This ampule is designed to spray directly onto the hair in between the use of the shampoo and the mask. There are 2 types of ampule, one for medium to coarse hair and one for fine hair. We're going to use the fine hair ampule on Grace's hair because it suits the hair type much better. This product is designed to give the hair a head start in the healing process of the damage caused by color treatments, bleaching and straightening the hair. The combination of the L'Alga Nord5 and ingredients within the C Revitalize product give the hair a protective film against damage, preventing split ends. For best results when using the C Revitalize, we need to heat the bottle with warm water to activate the ingredients within the product. Then you must shake the bottle to further activate the ingredients. We are spraying the product all over the hair, making sure it is evenly distributed throughout, and it is important to use the whole ampule per application for best results. Once complete, we are now going to leave the product for 5 to 10 minutes. The amount of time you leave the product to develop and the ingredients to do their job depends on the hair's condition. We're now going to apply the C Restore mask. This mask is perfect for dry, damaged, brittle hair. It is a highly concentrated moisturizing product with the combination of hyaluronic acid, thermoactive protein and conditioning agents. Once the hair has been shampooed and conditioned, we are now going to apply the C Shield serum spray. The serum spray is a deep hydrating conditioning spray that's going to create a protective barrier on the hair against heat styling. It softens and polishes hair, defrizzing and taming as you blow dry. How does it feel?
Amazing.
Yeah, it's great. It looks so much healthier, feels so much softer as well to touch. Obviously it's really clear to see the results that the CPR treatment's had on the hair, giving it that real instant shine to it.
Beautiful.